Even high-quality e-bikes end up trash in 5 to 10 years. And I call that bull. At Nomad Cycles, we've been breaking the mold for over a decade in Portland, building custom conversions and adaptive machines that ride better, last longer, and give more freedom than anything you can buy off the shelf. This week at the Made Show, we broke the mold again with our own handmade e-bikes. These aren't disposable toys. They're modular, serviceable, and built with your right to repair at the core. No landfill bikes, no corporate obsolescence, just freedom, power, and joy that lasts for decades. We build here for here. Real climbing power for Portland's streets, Seattle's hills, and San Francisco's commutes. We're not minimizing strength so that we can sell in other countries. We're not designing for a short life so we can sell another one later. We built to keep you riding with a lighter footprint and a bigger smile. If you want one of the first of these revolutionary e-bikes, or if you're in Portland and you want to transform the bike you already love into something better than anything on the market, then this is your chance. We're on Kickstarter for a limited time. Join us on this ride and share it. Let's build better bikes today for a better world tomorrow.